In a coffee shop in Singapore, two ambitious friends were locked in a heated debate about how to get rich. One believed in speed and flash, other believed in systems. Little did they know, a billionaire was about to change everything. Jenny, dressed in the latest fashion, had just taken out a $100,000 loan to open a luxury boutique. She bragged about her prime location, expensive inventory, and hiring 3 staff. To her, success meant speed and flash. Michael, on the other hand, drove a 10-year-old car and refused to borrow a single dollar. Jenny laughed.
How will you ever get rich? Without leverage.
Michael simply smiled and said,
I'm building a debt-free system, not a job.
Unbeknownst to them, billionaire named Richard had been listening. He turned to Michael and said,
Most people confuse debt with capital. Debt is a rope that can hang you, but a system is a machine that frees you.
Richard advised Michael to focus on zero marginal cost, creating something once and selling it 1,000,000 times without extra effort. Jenny, meanwhile, was too busy managing her store to listen over her phone. Jenny worked 14-hour days trapped in the hustle. She stopped, her store closed, and her loan interest piled up. She was trading time for money, just at a higher price point. Michael, however, built an automated subscription platform for real estate agents. He charged $99 a month and reinvested every dollar into SEO and automated marketing. His system worked while he slept. Then, the economy crashed. Interest rates doubled. Jenny's boutique customers vanished. She declared bankruptcy and lost everything. Michael, his debt-free system thrived. His customers needed his tool to save time. He ended up making $85,000 a month in pure profit with 0 employees, and sold his software for $42 million. The lesson: debt builds risk. Systems build wealth. Jenny chased short-term gains and lost. Michael built a scalable machine and won. So ask yourself, are you building a job or a system? Drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stories that separate thinkers from followers.
Economic downturns don't care about your dreams. They don't care about your $100,000 loan or your luxury inventory. When customers stop spending, debt becomes a noose. Jenny learned this the hard way. Her boutique failed, her credit was ruined, and she lost everything. But Michael, he built something unbreakable. A low-cost system that didn't rely on borrowed money or foot traffic. His $99 per month subscription had 99% profit margins. He didn't need employees. He didn't need a fancy store. He just needed a scalable solution that people needed, not just wanted. So before you sign that loan, ask yourself, are you building a business or a time bomb? Are you chasing short-term flash or long-term freedom? The richest people in the world don't play with debt. They own systems. If this story changed how you think about money, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the secrets that separate the wealthy from the broke. Drop a comment, systems over debt, if you're building the right way.